welcome back. Well, the rain has held off. Okay, we'll just hit a couple of irons with way inside the ball. Way inside the ball. You see how I'm knock-kneed, guys? That's my new stance. Big ratchet. Big ratchet, big hit. Just ratchet it up, guys. In Australia we say put another shrimp on the barbie. Well, put another tooth on the ratchet for your golf swing. That's the extra tooth. That's just such good contact. Whew. And centre cut. I mean centre cut. That's the secret, guys. When you've reached what you think is the limit of your ratchet, go another tooth. A bit hard to do into the wind because you're leaning into the wind rather than turning. This is feeling very natural now and normal to have the club inside. And for me, it suits me because, as you notice, when I set up the ball, I set up my hands very close to my body and my arms very close. So I don't want to reach for the ball. If I can just put it in here and maintain that feeling of closeness that I get normally, I can have that little bit of, sort of throw out with the arms coming down. I don't feel uncomfortable, which I normally do with my irons through the ball. I've always felt that. And that's probably why I've tend to hit them towards the heel of the club, a la Hogan. I had a set of clubs once that belonged to a famous Australian player, Norman von Nyder, and his marks were towards the heel too. He was a Hogan era, and the marks were all towards the heel. Okay, here we go. The marks right now are right towards the centre. Big ratchet. You know what's interesting, guys? I'm almost seeing the club hit the ball. Where the ball is, I'm focusing on it, looking at it, and when the ball goes there's a black spot, and then that black spot just dissipates into nothing. But my focus is on it so hard. Trying to see the ball hit. I keep my head down anyway, but invariably I don't look at the ball, but I am looking at the ball right now. Well, my new nickname will be Nipper, because that's all I'm doing, I'm just nipping the ball. So I could hit shots off the putting green, you wouldn't know I was there. Well, Mo Norman did that for me one day. He hit some 5-irons off a putting green, you wouldn't know he was there. It's perfect shots. With just his road shoes on, just his normal walking shoes. It's amazing. Okay, fist grip, toe inside the ball, and a big ratchet, see the ball hit. Well, this is the quality of ball striking I've been looking for my whole life. Okay, look, I've always hit the ball very straight. Always. I've always hit it straight. But I've never been happy with the quality of the strike. Just a personal feeling. But now the quality of the strike is just so pure. And I don't like big gougy divots. I'm just not that sort of person. I just like to take the ball clean. Like Watson, Tom Watson. Watson didn't take big divots. So we haven't missed a ball. I just tend not to miss it anymore. So those shots are just perfect golf shots. I mean, absolutely perfect golf shots. Now for guys that want to, I don't like drills, JH doesn't like drills, but to learn this, just get yourself a long iron. This is a 3-iron. Tee the ball up and just feel that you're doing this. Take the fist grip and feel like you're doing this through the ball. Feel like you're trying to hit it with the toe of the club with this. Just tee it up. 3-iron into this wind. This is actually a really strong 3-iron. This is 19 degrees, so it's quite strong. And it's actually a 4-iron because Wilson don't make a 3-iron. I got an extra 4-iron head and I bent it and got it where I want it to be. Very hard to bend. So watch this, guys. Off the toe. So you get lots of rotation. There's lots of rotation in that shot. Lots of rotation. Big ratchet. That's crazy. That's going as far as my hybrid would go into this wind. That's really crazy distance. And that'll give you a bit of confidence when you're learning it, the fist grip, and just tee it up. Don't get any better than that, guys. And when you can hit a ball out there into this wind, and it doesn't move, like it's 50 kilometers an hour now, and this way, head wind. I'll start one down the right. I'll really bust this. Big ratchet. Wow. Okay guys, we'll come back because I've got a window here, so I might as well take advantage of it.